pay attention to this video. It will help you.
This na the way how your family they cry you down for making you not become successful. One, we see you begin get small money, you don't begin think about I need for give me mama, I need for give me papa, I need for provide for my sisters the way they suffer, I need for give me uncle, give me auntie, all my yuangi, and at the end of the day, you they lack. And when you lack, you they become a burden to the one the way you be the give before. The best thing what you can do, not assume responsibilities that are not yours. Only take care of yourself and try to empower yourself more so you go get more earning power so you go able to give more later. Or you can give them job opportunities rather than give them physical money, because we give them money, they're not financially intelligent for later able for turn the money so the money go multiply. All what they go do now for it. Now then they the results where they give people like free money. So create for them job opportunities and make them earn, make them learn how to earn money rather than you they give them the money physically.